day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today, our webinar on how to expand your sales offerings with Clearly IP. It's time to get started. My name is Bree Fernie. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer here at Team Clearly. I will be your presenter for today. I anticipate today's webinar will take approximately 30 to 45 minutes. We do have quite the expansive suite of products and services here at Clearly IP, so the offerings will take me some time to go through today. I'm going to do a deep dive into our most popular products by channel partners. This webinar does not include a live demo, so it will be time spent reviewing these products that are really our most popular in our portfolio by our preferred channel partners. So I should mention all pricing today is in US MSRP. And for those of you who are not familiar with Clearly IP and new with me today, I'll make a proper introduction to our company to kick things off. So we know that for everyone in this business, choosing the right VoIP partner is so important. Your business relies on new, modern, and stable technology. So why is Clearly IP the clear choice? Well, my job today is to share with you all the reasons Clearly IP can assist businesses with everything and anything related to business phone systems. So Clearly IP was founded 3 years ago, so still considered a young company. However, we have a team with over 300 years of combined experience building some of the largest telecom applications in the world. We all know that telephony itself has greatly changed over the years. Technology has jumped leaps and bounds and continues to still do so. However, we're all still making phone calls. What Clearly IP has done is applied modern software architecture to traditional phone technology, and we are truly the best ones to do this because we were a group that helped create previous generations. So we have some key benefits that we're going to outline for you today, key benefits in both our technology and our support that will help you grow your business and increase your customers' productivity and collaboration. We have leading edge technology that we're going to take you through today. Clearly IP truly is a leader in innovation, and we have a team with the knowledge, determination, drive, and loyalty to support our partners and your customers throughout the process of anything to do with business phone systems. So we have some key benefits that we're going to outline, key benefits in technology to really explore how we are an innovator in telephony for businesses. We really are a group that is focused on innovation and building the next generation of telephony. So we're a group of telephone nerds really who specialize in business telecom, and we're not afraid to raise a few eyebrows while developing new tech. Our team has a really impressive and unique industry skill set building some of the largest telecom applications being used currently in the world. So we've been building Clearly IP for a while, as you can see here. Although a young company founded just in July of 2019, Clearly IP has actually been building since 1981 with the purchases of Telrac Canada, Cyclics, and Modulus, a company that was founded in 2008, became the official sponsor of Free PBX, and 2 years later, really created the catalyst for Clearly IP. Our founders exited Sangoma and then founded Clearly IP with the intentions to carry on this legacy of building new innovation in the business telecom marketplace. So we have offices located in Wisconsin and Montreal and staff located around the globe. Our team consists of telecom experts that are known leaders in the industry, both selling and developing and also pioneering new technologies to business telecom marketplace. We support our partner channel in solutions for end users for small, medium businesses and enterprise, global companies worldwide that are really wanting to take advantage of unified communications. So although we're a young company, we are very established. We've actually received industry awards as a leader in unified communications and as one of the top 10 best VoIP providers last year in 2021. And our product Clearly Cloud was named Product of the Year this year by Internet Telephony. So we're really proud of these industry recognitions. It really does outline our achievements since Clearly IP was founded. So here at Clearly IP, we've developed a number of solutions, all the pieces that you truly need for a total telecom solution. I'm going to briefly cover each product or service, and of course, if one piques your interest, feel free to reach out to me, sales, Preston McNair, our Chief Revenue Officer, or even Tony, our Chief Executive Officer. They'd be more than happy to discuss any of the solutions you're interested in more detail. So I'll be covering the individual products that you can purchase from us to build your total telecom portfolio, like our popular brandable IP phones, our cloud platform called Clearly Cloud, our soft phone SIP trunking platform, our fax solution, as well as some of the pre-configured products designed in our ready to go to market solution, like our Business Connect platform that includes phone and telephony service as a complete end user product. So let's begin with Clearly Cloud, which is our most popular and fastest growing solution. Our cloud platform, called simply Clearly Cloud, obviously, as the name indicates, this is a cloud-based phone system platform, which is a full featured offering hosted in our data centers that includes VoIP services. So what exactly is Clearly Cloud? So our solution offers on-demand access to a wealth of powerful extensions and system features, often only found in enterprise solutions, all in a managed platform requiring no hardware at the user's end. It's reliable, redundant, scalable, and based on modern architecture. Our system features are equal to those offered on enterprise systems, costing significantly more historically, and therefore often out of reach for small businesses. We're really proud to offer a solution that is extremely competitively priced, but offers a rich set of features often found in enterprise solutions, including call parking, find me, follow me, enhanced E911, and unlimited extensions are just a few of the features that are included. One of the biggest differences is that you no longer need to house the phone system or PBX at your location, meaning less headaches for you if you don't have the resources for someone to oversee the equipment on site. This can be a really helpful solution and also means no outages due to your server or your PBX system hardware failing on site either. One of the other powerful features of Clearly Cloud is our high performance call panel. So Clearly Cloud offers a highly responsive call panel that will give you insight to so many features and functionality of the system. One example is insight to active calls on your system, also from what callers are in a conference room to who is waiting in a queue and how long they've been waiting. Call panel offers advanced features and functionality that users need to conduct day-to-day business. System administrators will be able to control what users have permissions to and access to. It offers administrators improved visibility and easy management. There's a main navigation bar across the top of the screen, which is intuitive, really engages users with access to the call panel features in an all-in-one application. So it's a simple interface which allows for easy management of users. So this is going to offer system administrators a great platform to streamline users' features and permissions. Adding or removing a user is quick and easy. And with our recent enhancements, users have their own personal contact lists, as well as access to the global list of contacts. Access is permission based, so you always have control over your security. So no matter where you are, you can do your recordings in the call panel. This is really slick. You can review and save your recordings. This is, of course, in the voicemail platform. You can access active calls. You can listen into those active calls. You can park calls on the call panel, and anyone in the system can pick up a parked call. So what about call centers? Yes, cloud-based systems like Clearly Cloud do offer tools that can suit most needs of a call center. With our call panel, there is call center management where you can view and manage your queues, view statistics, and see waiting calls. So any basic call center features or functionality we've got built in here and is very easy to manage within the call panel of Clearly Cloud. Conference rooms are also a really awesome feature. So you've got full conference room management for easy conferencing. It's for all of our remote conference calls happening these days. So with Clearly Cloud, conference rooms support up to 25 video calls and up to 100 voice calls. So this is of course dependent on the number of lines a client has. Conference room management is handled via a simple interface, allowing you to focus on the conversation. Most of us should be familiar with voicemail. Clearly Cloud offers a full voicemail platform and administration within the call panel. It allows you to check your voicemail and record your greetings right from the computer interface. So no more having to call in from a desk phone to re-record your greetings. The great thing about this is you can do it right from the call panel. So we also offer call detail records, which is a record of all call activity available at your fingertips with Clearly Cloud, which makes monitoring and managing even easier. You can view calls, both inbound and outbound, as well as adjust date ranges and control callback features. So this is a really great tool for reporting and for billing. And we offer video conferencing. So our video conference feature allows for screen sharing and chat, meaning your ideas can always be very simply, clearly shared. So video conferencing is accessed right from the call panel within Clearly Cloud. Great for companies that need a video conferencing solution within their cloud platform. Another great feature of our platform is SMS and MMS support right from the desktop soft phone within the call panel. This allows you to send and receive a quick message. If you notice a coworker is on the phone currently, you can send them a chat message and let them know someone is waiting on call park or even waiting at reception or in your waiting area. So another great feature is awesome for sending reminders, scheduling appointments, and gathering information easily and quickly. So think of a soft phone as a virtual phone that can be installed on a computer, laptop, tablet, or cell phone. Call Panel does come with a desktop soft phone where you can connect and collaborate seamlessly. For those of you who are not familiar with the soft phone, it's a piece of software that allows users to make telephone calls over the internet via computer or smartphone. It has all the features of a desk phone and typically expands the range of services you can access on a desk phone. So again, what's the difference between a soft phone and a desk phone? Well, the soft phone is completely software driven. It does not have a physical handset or dial pad. Instead, it utilizes your access to the internet and creates a pathway between you and another telephone or another smartphone, etc. So this means that you can make a call from your cell phone with a soft phone app installed and a thread through your office telephone. This means all calls from the soft phone look like they're originating from your office phone and not your personal cell phone device. So the same is true with soft phone calls from any of your other electronic devices. Calls to your office, therefore, are not forwarded. They can ring simultaneously on your soft phone installations at the same time that they might ring at your desk IP phone. So this really gives the impression you're answering the call or making calls out from your office, even though you might be working from home or off-site, or perhaps like me at times at the beach. So Clearly Anywhere Mobile is included with Clearly Cloud, meaning that your office is now anywhere you have access to the internet. Let's go over some benefits of using a soft phone. This is an important item that we get asked about a lot. Your desk usually carries your PC and the hard phone with all the wires around your workstation. Such chaos. A soft phone is a simple solution that eradicates all this clutter. As the hard phones are installed and configured using some dedicated network lines, a soft phone doesn't require any physical telephone line or some specific wiring. Most of the soft phone applications are downloaded directly from the service provider's website or from the source relevant to the selected hardware platform, like the mobile app or the desktop app. And soft phones can be customized to integrate with some third-party platforms and applications, and some soft phones have built-in features or the ability for customization. If you do have a third-party application you're interested in for integration like Salesforce, let us know. We're always open to those type of requests. If it helps you and your team work more collaboratively, then just ask us the question, our engineers are always ready and waiting for any third-party application requests. As the soft phone is operating on your private network connection, it's encrypted and secure. We get asked about security a lot. There's no public network, is there, that might evolve any threat to your network infrastructure. It's your network, and you can easily transfer the information without any peril to data breaching. So whether it's your calling, video conferencing, screen sharing, or chat, it's all secure for you. All right, next product I'd like to talk about is our Cloud Device Manager CDM platform. We've been deploying pieces of this platform over the past few years. We first launched components of Cloud Device Manager with our IP desk phones, allowing our line of IP phones to be redirected to a PBX for provisioning. Technically, the redirection is a component of Cloud Device Manager. So using a platform like FreePBX, a customer or partner could purchase our phones, and once they set up the redirection, they could deploy the phones to their customers without ever touching them. So once they plugged in one of our phones, it reaches out to our cloud platform and then redirects to the location it is told to pull down its configuration. So inside this configuration file are the credentials for connecting to the assigned PBX and the button mapping for configuring the device for the end customer. So the way it's worked over the past year, in our client's case, using free PBX, the configuration file is generated by the Clearly device management module on the PBX itself. So all these pieces, the redirections and the automatic configuration are what we call our zero touch configuration. So Cloud Device Manager is truly awesome for simplified device provisioning and control and management of your endpoint devices. All right, we're going to talk about some other products and services. So we've touched on Clearly Cloud and we've talked about Cloud Device Manager. Next up, I'd like to talk about is our IP desk phones, our CIP line of SIP phones. We get asked a lot about our desk phones by customers, colleagues, and partners, and what they should be looking for in a physical IP desk phone and what are the key technologies you need to have. So I'm excited to share some information about our phones with you today. They are one of our best selling products. And some of our new people here today are not aware that we do offer best in class IP phones that will work seamlessly with our Clearly IP platforms and are optimized for free PBX installations as well as many other IP based phones systems, and that these phones are customizable, they're rebrandable by both end customers and resellers if you want your own logo on the phones or your customer's logo on the phones if that's a request. We currently have a lineup of 3 models of phones and 1 sidecar, our 230, 250, and 270. We're now currently on our version 2 of our models. The 230 is a great entry-level phone. It also happens to be our smallest, so it's really perfect for when you don't have a lot of desk space. It's got a nice small footprint. The 250 is also a really popular model. It's a little larger and offers additional features that we will cover in just a bit. It's a great phone for general use. Our standardized model really is great for that. And then is our Executive 270 set. It's our most feature-rich phone, perfect for execs and busy answering positions with the ability to support multiple expansion modules. So truly designed for a reception desk or busy answering position. And our expansion module, the 200, it's a great sidecar. It offers an additional 2 pages of hard keys, great for receptionists. And we do offer some other enhancements like our USB panic button, our EHS adapter, and our Bluetooth Wi-Fi dongle. Great for connecting Bluetooth headsets or other devices that you might need. So there's some really unique and cool things that our engineering team has done with our IP desk phones. All 3 models have color screens, even our entry-level phone. All models support gigabit network. They have native 5-way conference calling. And one of the big ticket items that people discover is that our phones are customizable with your logo and brand. So whether you're a reseller or partner that wants to have your brand in front of a client or a customer that wants its own brand on your phones, we've got you covered. covered. The really awesome part here is it's not that expensive. We have a low setup fee and a low minimum order quantity. We're really one of the only ones in the market to offer this to our partners and customers. It's not often seen in our industry, and we're really proud to be able to offer it, especially at an affordable price and reasonable inventory requirements. So of course, there's ease of setup. If you're using a free PBX system, these will configure like a dream. They work well with other IP-based systems and PBXs, but they were really originally optimized for free PBX and Clearly IP platforms. Best of all our phones come with a 2-year warranty. An additional extended 3-year warranty is available, giving each phone up to a 5-year warranty coverage. All right, that's our IP phones. Next, I want to move on to our SIP trunking platform. Let's talk about it because it really does offer a superior SIP trunking performance and experience with all the features and benefits you need. On-demand cloud SIP trunking so you can start calling quickly without the complexity of multiple configuration steps or the inconvenience of waiting days for changes to be effective. Failover and redundancy, we offer failover redundancy to trunking to circumvent PBX network and or data center outages. We offer self-service. Our extensive dashboard allows you to manage most aspects of your service directly from our store, our online portal. You can add DIDs, call pass users, etc. with ease. We do offer DIDs, which are dedicated phone numbers that allow customers to receive calls directly to their PBX or extension. We offer an extensive availability of numbers across the US and Canada and 80 other countries globally. We support Stir Shaken. We do extensive E911 coverage in US and Canada. We offer seamless E911 integration that provides system integrators and end users compliance and peace of mind, Kerry's Law and Raybaum Act. We support toll-free voice so you can easily access toll-free numbers or port existing numbers to our service to enjoy our low monthly inbound toll-free rates. We have a wonderful process for number porting. Everything's done fast and in the background. We know how important keeping your existing phone numbers are, so we make porting really easy. And we support international calling. Outbound international service can be added or removed to any account as needed. Let's talk about call pass subscriptions. So sized by the number of simultaneous calls you need, we'll help you figure that out. We can look at your existing services with you and make a recommendation. You can add additional capacity as needed, so it's scalable. Each call path allows for a single call with no per minute charge to most US and Canada destinations. We offer two types of call paths, well, and a hybrid actually. So first, one that has no per minute charge that you pay by the channel, and then the other where you do not pay by the channel, but you pay by the minute for all your inbound and outbound calls, and the hybrid mode where you can have both types of call paths on the same location. So you let us know what you're looking for in terms of call path configuration and options of a trunking platform. We can help you out. And for additional flexibility, we also offer meter subscriptions if call path subscription doesn't fit your needs. So if you're unsure of how many call paths you need, work with us. We have a team of SIP trunking experts that can help determine your optimum requirements. Tell us what you need, and we'll work with you to find a solution. And part of our trunking platform is our virtual faxing platform. We call our fax platform SendFax.2. It's our fax solution for VoIP. So when ClearlyIP was founded a couple of years ago, it was not originally on the roadmap to create a fax platform. However, due to the demand for a solid fax solution from our partners and customers, it quickly was added to our engineering team's development list. As reality here is still today in 2022, businesses still rely heavily on faxing, especially specific sectors like medical and legal. The SendFax.2 online portal easily configures inbound email delivery from any fax-enabled numbers available in most North America regions. Inbound faxes deliver up to 2 email addresses. You can enable and manage specific email addresses or domains to send faxes using our SendFax.2 service. Each fax-capable DID on your account can be associated with up to 100 authorized email addresses or email domains, and email addresses can be authorized to send for multiple fax DIDs. So some of the main benefits of e-faxing, it can remove the physical fax machine if you want to, but it makes sending and receiving faxes super easy, and it offers inbound fax to email. So again, you can define up to 2 email addresses that will be sent that inbound fax on a per DID basis. It supports outbound email to fax. It's going to allow you to send an email to a fax line. That's really slick. So you take outbound emails, you send it to the fax number at sendfax.to and convert to a fax and send to the fax number of your customer or recipient. Another benefit, we offer rebrandable email alerts, and even the sendfax.to domain can be rebranded for resellers. And with sendfax.to, there's no eFax portal, so it relies 100% on email for faxing. Our fax CDRs show all sent and received faxes in the store, and the ability to set a password that all fax PDFs are encrypted with at a per group level. So when sending a fax by emails, users can easily specify which fax number to use as the sending address. Suppose users are authorized to use multiple fax numbers. In that case, our system will allow them to choose which number to send from immediately with a follow-up email, enabling them to select the proper account. So it's a really easy, fast 3-step process. Now, for those of you who are wanting best of both worlds, or wanting to keep your physical fax, but also do virtual faxing, we've got you covered here with our most recent new device, the SendFax.to device. It's designed as a complementary appliance add-on to the SendFax.to platform. It will support connectivity up to 2 physical fax machines or hardware of your choice to enjoy the flexibility of analog faxing without the expense of a dedicated phone line. So you won't need to keep a dedicated fax line now for your physical fax machines. You'll just use this device. As long as you're connected with the internet, you'll be able to send faxes no problem. You can store your faxes, you can connect a physical fax machine and send receive with secure and reliable technology using this fax device. So again, you can enjoy the best of both worlds, virtual and physical faxing with SendFax.to and the SendFax.to device. All right, so those were our main products I wanted to talk about today, but in efforts to keep our presentation under that 45-minute time frame, I haven't touched on some of our other great solutions we offer to create your total telecom solution. So let's just touch on these real quick. First up, we have a full lineup of on-premise appliances and PBXs. Our phone systems are compact, they are space-saving, and they will allow you to control access to your hardware. So you can check out our products of on-premise appliances on our products page. ClearlyIP has a private label, white label cloud platform, Cluster PBX OEM. It's a white label multi-site PBX for our enterprise partners. We offer reseller white label, multi-tenant, scalable and flexible technology where you can build your business value and revenue by branding our next generation UCaaS platform as your own. We also have a newly launched device rental DaaS program for our partners. So you can offer your customers IP phone device rentals as an option for necessary hardware requirements, which is going to really drive your monthly recurring revenue. So you'll want to check that out. Our device as a service IP desk phone monthly program is really great for our channel partners that are already selling cloud or monthly revenue based solutions and wanting to add phone rentals to that. We have a UCM platform, our update control management platform that offers full control and custom branding of free PBX based systems. So ClearlyIP's update mirror control management and branding services for free PBX based systems will really transform how you control, manage, and brand your free PBX deployments. We also sell our Business Connect platform. It's offered in 2 options, managed hosted services or managed infrastructure as a service. And lastly, we have our Codex emergency notification and monitoring platform, which is great for schools or any multi-room environment. It will allow you to add a emergency notification and monitoring platform to your Clearly IP phone systems. This is really slick for schools needing to have some sort of emergency platform incorporated in their school that can be easily added to the phone system. And lastly, we do offer professional services, including consulting and professional training. We do professional training for free PBX, in classroom led training in our Appleton headquarters. I don't have a date yet for fall, as we just wrapped up our training for the summer, but that will be launched and announced shortly. And we have solution specific webinars on each one of these items I've just glossed over here on our YouTube channel or our events page. You can access our recorded webinars from the past. And if you are looking for a deep dive uh, portfolio webinar from January, it goes into every one of these products. It's a more lengthy webinar on our portfolio, but a great one if you're looking to really go into every single item Clearly IP has in its suite of services. All right. Lastly, let's just talk about how you can become a partner. I know we've got some new people here. We have a unique four-step process to join as a Clearly IP authorized partner. We provide an initial partnership assessment to determine what products best fit your business. And then we begin our onboarding process. We like to call it our red carpet process. We offer a customized launch plan to really hold your hand and help your team get through the learning curve. You can call sales or speak with Preston McNair, our Chief Revenue Officer, who does oversee new partnerships. And we do truly appreciate any new opportunities to help you with your businesses and feel that we really do have every piece for a total telecom solution. I also should mention we did extend our June buy one, get one promo on Clearly Anywhere. It was extended another month through to the end of July. So this applies to Clearly Anywhere Mobile, where if you buy one license, you get one license half off. So this is great savings, a great offer to provide some savings for customers needing to set up remote workers or road warriors with the slick mobile soft phone to make and receive their business calls anywhere and everywhere. So that wraps up our presentation today. I hope that gave you some great insight into our most popular products and then our other solutions that we do offer as part of our suite of services. If you have any questions, please connect with me. I'm always here to answer any questions, and I look so forward to touching base with you in our next event. Thank you so much and enjoy your summer.